All right, we're talking about the MAXTRA chainsaw, of course, and this is the engine, the extension pole, or the pole that extends to the trimmer pole itself, which attaches to the end. Of course, the chain pole also attaches to the end. So we also have an extension, so you can go even further. Wow, that thing really can extend. And of course, the hedge trimmer, the actual chain, the chain bar, toolkit, chain cover, a funnel, the carrying case, harness, heavy-duty saw, the line trimmer, and fuel tank. And we have here the cover just removed. All right, I'm going to take the chain bar. If you notice, it can slide onto this part here. All right, however, I'm going to need to put the chain on it. All right, best way to do this is, if you notice, it's got the direction where the chain goes. So what we try to do is abide by take the chain bar and the chain, right? They can freely pass. Then of course, I'm going to put the chain bar over. I'll put it this way so you can see better. But I need it to go over the sprocket. So that's going to transmit, but I need it to be secure so it doesn't move, right? We'll be attaching the line trimmer to the trimmer pole. We'll of course we've already removed the case cover and with the hex, but what I'm going to do is, you can see here the threads goes in here, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. All right, now we'll be taking our next blade that we're going to install is the 3-blade for a robust cutting of mulch and thick grasses. Again, I've taken off the disc, right? I go ahead and place it on the wheel, and of course we're going to seat it. Again, counterclockwise for the bolt. All right, next we'll be installing the skirt on the trimmer. That's the MAXTRA gas trimmer. We've already installed the brace. Just line it up. Today with MAXTRA's hedge trimmer, and we're going to be attaching this hedge trimmer to the engine with the pole, and of course the pole extension. And of course, just like we attached the extension, we're going to do the same. Make sure that notch is up. And we just basically just line it up, put it in. Which is me now. All right, here we are again with the MAXTRA trimmer, and of course this is the gas trimmer, the pole, the extension pole, And of course, lastly, we have way down here at the bottom, or at the end, the line trimmer. And of course, we're going to take this line gap here, line it up, and just gently push it in, line it up. Should have a slight metal on metal. Of course, I kind of banged it so you didn't really hear it, but it did click. And secure it.